Hi guys, welcome back to JayDemy again. So last video we have discussed about Terraform Destroy. So after destroying, what is the current structure of my Terraform directory? So today we discuss what is Terraform state file. Why do we need state file? What is the important of state file? So basically state file stores state of the infrastructure provisioned from Terraform, the TF files I can say. The state is used by Terraform to map real world resources for your configuration. That is, whatever the resources are running live, that will be refreshed, or if you apply refresh, or if you apply refresh, or if you do any plan activity, then you will able to understand like what is the actual state of what is the actual resources available in this current directory of Terraform files. So this is basically to track record of our metadata and to improve performance for large infrastructures. Basically this state is stored by default in local file where our Terraform init file or and other Terraform files we have stored in the name of terraform.tf state. But it can also be stored in your remote location. That is, I can say if you are using AWS, you can store in AWS S3. If you are working like a group of members, team members, then it will be centralized location. There you can maintain it, and very important to take backup at regular intervals for your state file. Terraform uses the local state to create a plan and make changes to your own infrastructure. So that is, it is uses the local infrastructure. What is the local infrastructure here? This is the local infrastructure. If I am using AWS, this is my local infrastructure. If I am using GitHub repository, this is my local infrastructure. That is how it will use actually, and it will do any operation prior. So Terraform does a refresh to update the current state with real infrastructure. What is the infrastructure we are having, that it will actually get. So whenever we are like how it will maintain actually. So if you see Terraform state, the behind the scenes, the state it will store whenever you are provisioning a VM or any infrastructure, it will actually store the backend. In our case, we have created a VM, that is EC2 machine we have created. It will store by default the instance ID, what is the type and security group, IP address related and volume, storage related, all the parameters it will store in the backend. And whenever you do Terraform plan or Terraform apply, it will shows what is actual state. Okay, so you can see here in my local where I have initialized my Terraform, you can see here terraform.tf state file already it is there. So let me open the Terraform state file in my Atom editor. If you see here the resources, under resources I have a type of GitHub repository. You can see same thing in my GitHub repo where I have created my GitHub. See, this is the GitHub repository, this is the type, it is actually stored in that state file. Not only that one, if you go little bit down, it is stored what is the name of my repository. What is the name of my repository also, it is actually stored here. You can see here, if you see Jaychandra Reddy and that JayDemy underscore repo, it is actually created and it is stored. What is the ID and the name of the local name, everything it is stored here. So now what I will do, if you see last video we have commented out this EC2 instance section. So now what we will do, we will just remove this section and we will just Terraform plan, we will execute the Terraform plan here. So in the same directory I'm there, just Terraform plan. Whenever you do the plan, it will just refresh the state of the actual Terraform files. Okay, let us navigate quickly. So these are the two .tf files. Whatever the resources available in this templates, in these files, this will trying to create if it is not created. Okay, see, if you see Okay, I didn't save it, I think. Yeah, I need to save this. Yes. Now I'll just re-update again Terraform plan. So there was no changes, it is showing. Now if you see here, it is showing plan 1 to add. What is trying to add? It is trying to add EC2 instance, because I have just comment out that from my existing template. So this resource, there is no state of this resource because we deleted. So let us quickly go through it. Go and do Terraform. Let us apply this. I will show you what will happen. Terraform apply. So when we do Terraform apply, basically it will trying to create the, it is asking to, you want to create or not. Yes, I passed the yes. So it will adding one resource. It is adding one resource. What is it is adding? What it is adding? It is adding one EC2 machine here. If you see, there is no EC2 machine as of now. One EC2 machine in pending state. That means it is trying to create the resource. Why it is creating? That resource is not up to date. That is not up to date in the state file. So that's the reason it is trying to create a, to meet with the criteria in the Terraform files. This is clear. Now I will show you. I will show you the actual Terraform state file now. How you will able to you can verify this one. Now if I go back to Terraform state, you can see under the resources I am able to see AWS underscore instance and EC2 instance ID and other details also I am able to see here. Okay, the instance ID end with FD 9052. Same thing you can verify here, 9052, and this also having some public IP of 238 and 20 of private IP. Everything see 238 and 20, and even security group of security group also it will store. Actually security group here we are using default one 539B. So all the details it will store, not only the AMI ID which we are passing. If you see the security group, it is the default one, default name it is there. The same way you can see GitHub repository also. So that means it is updated the state now. So now what we will do, we will just destroy this. We will use Terraform Destroy again. Yesterday we have used only Terraform Destroy for Terraform Destroy. Yesterday we have used Terraform Destroy for only certain target. Now we will use, okay, sorry, Terraform Destroy. First it will refresh the state, existing state from the state file. It is getting the state of actual state, that is actual live state. It will get, it is destroying two resources. You can see to destroy. Let us go ahead and give yes. So it is deploying, it is destroying the both. Okay, it will destroy the both. And if you see this Terraform state file, once this will update, you don't have anything here. Okay, still it is trying to deploy, trying to destroy it. So yeah, now it is destroyed. Let us verify the state file. If you see, now the state file is empty. Now the state file is empty. So without any further delay, again we will do Terraform. We will do Terraform plan. So if we are doing Terraform plan, what will happen? It will trying to create two resources. That is, one is GitHub repository, and other one is my EC2 instances. Okay, so quickly I will go and delete my GitHub repository so that it will create with the same name. Okay, what happened to this? Okay, so we have deleted it. Okay, no problem, already we deleted it, right? So yeah, we are trying to create again. Sorry, it's my bad. Yes, I'll give yes. Okay, Terraform plan, just I'm doing the plan. Yes, apply it. We can give a flag auto approve. Okay, so it won't ask any yes, it will go directly and create, but make sure you are perfect to use this one, then only you can. Okay, Terraform apply. So we have executed earlier plan, we need to supposed to do apply. Now it will create both the EC2 mission and as well as my repo also. See, now repo also created. If I see here, the new one instance is terminated, new instance is created. Now same, once this is successfully done and we got it is completed, then we will go and verify about the state file. If you see, still state file is empty. So once that is done, the state file will update here. And later I will show you something very interesting thing. Still it is okay, yeah, now it is done. If you see, again this is updated with the instance ID and other details that we already discussed. So that is the that's why I'm telling. So now what we will do, just go to our tf files. Just I will comment out this entire section. So what will happen, we will see. I did. Okay, same I will do with the repository, GitHub repository also. So now what we will do, just we will save this, go back and do again Terraform plan. We are doing Terraform plan again, and you can even verify the Terraform state also. Okay, the state it is saying all are there. If you do here, it is trying to destroy because nothing is there in see, it is trying to destroy. We just commented out, and it is if you do the plan, what is going to happen? If you do apply, it is going to destroy. So let us go back again. What we will do here, okay, I just save this one. So both are, now it is showing, it is trying to show for destroying, so we don't want to destroy it. Okay, now main important thing here is you need to keep this Terraform state file always in a backup mode, where you need to keep this state file as in a safe mode, safe place. So don't make any mess up with the Terraform state file. If you are doing any mess up, things will be very mess up, so you will be in trouble. That is the reason, please make sure whenever you are doing anything in Terraform file, keep in mind, don't do any additional activities like deleting or something. So let us do one thing now. So let us go to these files here, Terraform state, tf state, and as well as Terraform state backup files. Both files we will delete it. We'll just delete this. Okay, now I have deleted it. Now what I will do, I'll go to my repository and I'll just remove comments from this, and as well as GitHub repository also. What I'll give here, just example 1 and Terraform repo 1 I'm giving. Okay, just I saved these files and as well as this file. 2 files I have saved. So let us see what will happen if I apply Terraform Plan again. Terraform Plan I am applying now. We will see what will happen. It will trying to create 2 more resources. Yes, you can see, right? It is trying to add 2 resources. Let us go ahead and Terraform, we'll do Terraform apply. See, it is trying to add 2 resources. One is GitHub repository example 1, another one is my another EC2 instance. Let us go ahead and give approval to create this one. But if you see this EC2 console, you are able to see your old instance also. This one we have created, and this one is now it is creating the same thing. If you go to your GitHub, if you see Terraform repo 1 also created and repo also is there. Here also 2 instances is there. But if you see, once this will finish, we can observe here again. If you see Terraform state file is created again. So that is for AWS EC2 instance and my GitHub repository. You can see here GitHub repository, and the name will be you can see here repo. Okay, wait for some time. Yeah, it is updated now. So what is happened here, even if you are having your instances here or your GitHub repository, it is not working about this one. It is simply creating the state of your Terraform. Yeah, so make sure whenever you are doing any changes at the state file, don't touch the state file. There is nothing to do with the state file. So make sure you are not touching the state file at any time. If you are doing that one, things will be mess up and your resources will create like this. Okay, that is all for today. I hope you guys got high level overview how we can work with the Terraform state file. So we will discuss more about what is the actual state and desired state and current state in upcoming videos. If you have any queries, please feel free to comment it out. I will happy to help you. Thank you guys. Have a good day.